William Shatner captains the first solar-powered Bitcoin mining operation. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto News for June 15th, 2018. Hey guys, welcome back to 4-Minute Crypto for your daily dose of crypto news. And don't forget to subscribe for daily crypto news updates at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe. Now today's story is from a post by John McMahon at newsbtc.com. William Shatner is idolized by Trekkies all over the world for his portrayal of Captain James T. Kirk of the Starship Enterprise, and T stands for Tiberius. Now he may not be quite as current on new technology today as he was back in the 60s, but he knows a good idea when he hears one. The 87-year-old actor first came into contact with Solar Alliance when he asked them to put solar panels on his California home. The company, which specializes in alternative energy solutions, has since announced plans to build a solar-powered Bitcoin mining operation in an abandoned Illinois factory, and they've asked William Shatner, James T. Kirk, to be their spokesman. Now, Bitcoin mining uses computer networks to solve complex problems for which the miners are awarded Bitcoin as payment. Now, one of the major criticisms of Bitcoin mining is the massive amount of electricity an operation uses to mine each Bitcoin. They say now the total cost of mining a Bitcoin is around $6,000. Now, the high electrical costs also hampers miners from operating in areas where electrical costs are high. Now, the project, which will be based around a huge solar array to be built on an abandoned factory's 14-acre site. The old factory itself will be leased out as a mining pool, with some parts of it reserved as a teaching center for teaching how to do solar panel installations. Now, whether using solar energy to be cost-effective enough for Bitcoin mining companies or not, Illinois utility companies are compelled by state policy to buy renewable energy, which makes the project economically viable with or without the mining aspect. Now, Shatner plans on visiting the project as he has homes in both Chicago and in Kentucky. The actor, who doesn't pretend to understand how cryptocurrency or how cryptocurrency mining works, referred to the concept as bizarre. William Shatner said, "You have to blank your mind and say, what is blockchain again? How does mining operate again? The concepts, well, they're really strange, yet when you begin to grasp it, it makes sense." So, Captain Kirk is now in the cryptocurrency mining business, or the spokesman at least ways, for a cryptocurrency mining company. What do you think? Well, welcome to the future. Now, today's episode of 4-Minute Crypto is brought to you by BitBlock Boom. Take a look at this great new crypto conference scheduled for this summer in Dallas, Texas at bitblockboom.com. I'm your host, Gary Leland, and thanks for watching, and please share the show with your friends. This is a CryptoCousins.com production.